What's up, TM fans? TM fan, do you want to here? Play Minecraft again. Minecraft again. It's version 16. Still version 16. Why do not update it into 17? There will be a dragon and a dragon. So let's make a world. Gonna make a tutorial. Yeah. Maybe that. That's wrong. I'm gonna spell my world. DDM. Survival, not survival. Peaceful. Always day. Flat. And then that's great. We're here. Gonna make a tutorial about to make a diamond play button. It's gonna be cool. Fabulous. It's gonna be made of diamonds. I mean, let's do the silver one first. Then tomorrow I'm gonna make the gold, and then this time I'm gonna make the diamond. So let's get iron. What else? Black wool? No, gray. Glass. Where's glass? There you are. Sign. Then that's all you want. I mean, that's all you need. Put this in the inventory. Use spruce. Get in there. Okay. Break this. Break this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 high. I think. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6! I can put down 6! 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 6. No, again. This is how you make your silver play button. That's all it. Haha, just kidding. Now you're just gonna do this over again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm mad at Minecraft. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. I'm kind of feeling sick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. Okay. More. More around it. More here. Can't place it down. There we go. Okay. More across here. Once again. It's not gonna be hard. This is for packages on the PC or whatever you're playing on any gadget. You just put it here. Okay. Silver. I don't know how to make it, but anyways. It's like this, maybe? Nope. It's still like this. Is it the play button? Looks kind of awful. Yeah. How many subscribers? Maybe 1,000. Congrats. 1,000 subscribers. TDM fan fudge. I hate typing. 0130200. Good thing it fits. It's kind of awful. Let's put this on top. There. Let's put the glass side. There we go. That's your silver play button. Just put the sign here. Silver play button. Silver play button. Congrats 1,000 subscribers. TDM fan 0120. Yes. I have 1,000 subscribers. Lol. No. It's 9 or 8. I don't know. Kapow. 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 Okay, TDM fans, subscribe and check out my other channel, TDM Cars 3, and check out my other video. Hi, bye, and subscribe at TDM Cars 3, and watch it at June 16, June Cars 3. I'll be so happy.